Okay, so you're gonna be in the movie.
Okay, get excited. Go.
I didn't even know. That's why you're writing that paper. I was like, excuse me. And I'm gonna be playing young girl. This is gonna be like the funniest thing. I've never been in a movie. Oh, Mom, is it gonna be on Redbox?
I don't know. They're probably gonna sell it in Walmart.
Yes! You have to buy it, Mom. You have to.
Of course.
I want to see myself over and over and over and over and over and over and over. I'm gonna be in a movie. I'm really gonna be in a movie. I'm gonna be in a real movie. It's gonna be sold on Walmart. Oh my God! I play the part of the youngest girl. This is like.
Look in the camera.
Yes! I'm getting in the movie. In the movie. Mom?
Yeah.
This was so exciting.